Hello and welcome to Insta Pino. I'm Tito. Today we are cooking beets. It's not really a Filipino thing, it's just something that Uncle Walter and I like to eat. Okay, so the first thing we need to do when we start making beets or anything that stains, we set this aside and we get a spray can of Pam. Now what this does is it coats the surface of your cutting board so it doesn't stain it. Beets will stain your cutting board. So just spray this with Pam, and again, that just adds a coating of oil to the surface of your cutting board so it doesn't stain. Now beets, when you purchase them in the store, come in packs of 3. Why 3? I have no clue. So just cut it next to the beet itself. Oh. This I really don't know what to do with. I guess I'll find out, but for now I just throw it out. Okay, so beets come in all sorts of sizes. These are really small. What I do is I get a serving dish, so when I'm done with everything, I know that the cooked beets will actually fit in my serving dish. In this case, it's this size. I have no clue what this size is, but it will all fit. All 3 will fit in here. What we do next is we just wash the beets without peeling it. I want all the grit and dirt out of it. Okay, now we get the pan out. Okay, when you first get your Instapot, it does come with a grate thing that lifts it up. I lost it. I have no clue what I did with it. I probably gave it to Goodwill. So I bought this other one in Amazon. It's a rubbery thing, and this is what I use to lift it up off the surface, off the bottom of the pot. Because what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 cup of water. So put this gray thing at the bottom, put your beets in, and then put in 1 cup of water. All you need, 1 cup. Doesn't matter the size of the beets. It can be tiny, it can be larger. Always just add 1 cup. And that's it. I don't add salt, I don't add pepper. The way it is right now, it comes out so good. Okay, it doesn't matter the size of the beets, 1 cup water, and I always put it under pressure cook. And then I set the time for 20 minutes. Now we press start and let it do its thing. All right, the pressure has gone down. There's a little metal lobby thing here. It says the pressure's down, so we can open it safely. Okay, let's go. Now to peel it, I get plastic grocery bags, 2 of them. And you're going to need, since there's 3 beets, you're going to need 3 pieces of paper towels. Now I use these as gloves because I'm cheap and I don't really want to spend the money on it. So these are my gloves. I get 1 beet out, 1 paper towel, and all you need to do is actually just rub the beet and the peel just comes off. Isn't that wonderful? And then you just throw the paper towel away. So next one, grab the beet, grab a paper towel, and just gently rub the beet all the way around. With a paper towel, and the skin falls off. Isn't that fabulous? And since you have the grocery bags already, just put all the stuff in it. Instant trash. Okay, since we sprayed the cutting board with Pam earlier, it's still on there. I just cut these into 4s. It's a little warm still. Put it into our serving dish bowl. That's what I use, bowls. And then with the 1 cup that is in the Insta pot, I pour, I don't know, 1/4 cup into the bowl. And that's it. I let this cool down and serve it with dinner or just as a snack. Well, thank you for watching Insta Pino. Bye.